Your Alex gradebook has been updated with your grade for week 2 topics. Week 3 topics are due on Sunday, February 6th at 11:59 p.m. On Saturday, February 5th, CKC1 will open. It is due Tuesday, February 8th at 11:59 p.m. and counts as 5% of your overall grade in the course. To take CKC1, you must have a webcam and a photo ID. CKCs cannot be taken on Chromebooks, and there are no extensions for technical difficulties. If you need to take CKC on campus, please see the link below to take it at the Math Resource Center or the Tutoring Center. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.